Today in Australia is Father's Day. I think it's like that all over the world. I'm not really sure. We don't celebrate Father's Day here because the children's father and I separated about 3.5 years ago, and my father lives far away. And I just want to say, this morning I took myself out with a family member and we went for a walk at a normal place that we normally walk at, and had a coffee and just kind of really had a really like enjoying the sun, enjoying the weather, thought, yep, I knew it was Father's Day, and yep, I'm just going to enjoy the day and really do something that I not normally would do on this day. So we went out and I'm sitting down for coffee and I'm realizing there's lots of men. Of course, it's Father's Day, yeah? And I just want to speak to it. I want to speak to the women who've been violated and oppressed by men their whole life, whether it's ancestrally, whether it's in their relationship, whether it's men, around them in their community. And I just want to speak to your nervous system to say, take care of yourself today, because it's a lot to be out in public spaces where there's lots of men en masse. I want you to really spend some time today tending to your nervous system, because it's a lot, yeah? It's a lot being triggered. Femicide in Australia is on the increase, and it was literally like walking around with the bulk of the population who are essentially predators and a threat to women. So tend to your nervous system. If you're feeling grumpy, grouchy, on edge, tired, exhausted, like because you've been masking all day and pretending that everything's okay and it's not, or if you're feeling kind of like rageful and frustrated and kind of tetchy, totally valid. And spend some time today really honouring and being with your nervous system and doing something for yourself that restores and nourishes and honours how you're feeling. And even if that's just acknowledging that today is hard because of the influx of being around these oppressive and it might not even be in your immediate circle, but these oppressive individuals, this oppressive part and violent part of the population en masse, holy moly, just to acknowledge that and allow that, your system, just to settle in and give it some compassion and understanding that, like the nervous system, the body is responding to the energies and the dynamic, and Father's Day is a whole other level if you're a woman that has ever been violated and oppressed by a man. Take care.